So I recently joined the Temu Influencer Program, and these are the first two products they sent me to try. If you've been following me, you know I'm always in the kitchen cooking up something. So I picked things that I'd actually be using into the kitchen. This first one is this collapsible draining basket set. It comes in a set of three different sizes for various fruits or veggies that you'll be washing and then draining. I already have a few ideas for washing vegetables and fruits, and using these tray not only just for draining basket but for other use while I'm prepping things in the kitchen. And the second is this oil dispenser. I think this is going to be perfect for olive oil when I'm roasting vegetables or cooking Sunday dinner. I'll be testing both of these over the next few weeks, so stay tuned to see if they're actually worth the try using